Hello, my name is Kadir and this is my grandmother. She is 65 years old and she will speak in my voice now. Here we go. Now she will say, "How are you?" And there she goes. How are you? She just said that. Now she will tell in this pillow's voice. See, this pillow will say, how. Actually, it's a sheep, not a pillow. It will say, "How naughty are you?" Now she says, "How naughty are you?" See, again. And now she will say, "How are you, children?" How are you, children? And here we go. How are you, children? Move cover. How are you, children? She speaks without moving her lips, like this. Move on the box. How are you, children? This is me, Kadir's grandmother, and I can sing without talking. Yay! Yippee! Bye bye. Have a good day. Ta-ta. Bye bye. Bye bye.